Hi everyone, it is me, Jordan Long here, and today I'm going to talk about how I sometimes clean my throat out or cough in my films. And everyone comes up with beliefs over why this is. But the truth is, no one really seems to know, you know. So, anyway, a lot of folks will come up with a lot of beliefs over why it's happening. And the first one will be dust. Oh, maybe you got a lot of dust in your room, Jordan. Yeah, that could be, Rita, but I don't really think it's dust that's doing it. Because it only seems to happen when I make films. If it was a dust, I'd be coughing like this all the time, not only when I make films. Another belief that folks came is, oh, maybe you need to drink something before you make a film. Well, that's true. Sometimes I do drink something before I do a film, but it doesn't really seem to help. Someone else came up with the belief that it was, you know, show playing fright or bored fright. You know, when someone is shy or frightened of saying or doing something in lead of someone, lead of folks. And there are folks who are frightened or shy when it comes to that kind of a thing. But I'm not shy or frightened over it. You ever think it could be bored fright? What, you mean like talking or doing something in lead of folks? No, that's not the grounds of it. I'm not frightened or shy when it comes to talking in lead of folks. If I was, I wouldn't be making these films then. So no, that's not the answer to it. Well, I'm coming up with some beliefs here. I mean, there are good beliefs, but it's not the answer to it. You know. So those are just some of the beliefs to why I do it. Then other shit, there's a hair around my mouth. I hate that. Oh, fuck. So there's a around my mouth again. Get away from there. All right. Other folks might have other beliefs, but then those are all the beliefs to why I do it. And then there's some folks out there who think I should not be doing that in my films. Now there is not a followership oversight that says you cannot burp or cough or sneeze. In your films, if there was, everyone on here would have been getting flagged and striked for not following followership oversight when it comes to that thing, and there's not. You know, yeah, so you get haters and trolls making fun of you for it, shaming you and guilting you and scathing you for it. Oh well. It is what it is, though. Everyone has their little beliefs to why they do it. Come on. You don't think that need be, Jordan. You don't think you're ill or something. No, I'm not ill at all. I'm not sick. I know that much. And there are some days where I'll make a film where it doesn't happen. And then there'll be days where it does happen. Yeah, that's known. Well, you came up with some good beliefs there, but a lot of them aren't the answer to why I cough in my films. Now, back in my day, there was a lot of sneezing going on in my films, and after that, there was a lot of burping going on in my films. Now it's the whole clearing of the throat, including now it's the whole coughing in the films now. You know, and I know some folks out there say, "Oh, you shouldn't do that in your films." Well, there isn't an oversight, Jordan, that says you can't cough or sneeze or burp. or even past winning your films. If there was, everyone would be getting flagged for it. Everybody would be getting striked for not following that followership oversight when it came to one's upload, live stream, short, or podcast, or whatever. Well, you're right about that, Rita. On. Anyway, that's what my film's about. Tell me what you think about it, you know. And yes, I'll see you later. Watch the other film I made yesterday over here with Twink, you know. What do you think about that film? And I'll see you later.